Welcome back to my kitchen. So guys, today I'm going to show you how I make my pineapple grilled shrimp. Alright, so over here I have all my ingredients that I'm going to be working with today. I already washed and cleaned my shrimp and seasoned it properly. I already chopped up my bell peppers and my onions. And I have my pineapple here that I'm going to be using also. And some pineapple juice. Okay, guys? And guys, when you're cleaning your shrimp, you need to slice the back of it to take out that black thing, to take it out, okay? It's not good. And if you go anywhere to buy a shrimp dish and you see they have the shrimp in the shell, don't buy it, because if they don't bust the back open and clean it properly, that means they just cook it like that. They just buy it and just, decided to cook. All right, guys, so let me wash my hands and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to cut the pineapple. Okay, guys. So first thing you want to do, lay your pineapple flat on your cutting board. Alright. And make sure the knife is sharp. Okay. Alright. You want to take your time because you don't want to cut the pineapple skin. Alright, so you take your time with a sharp knife. Okay, so I'm going to use a spoon to remove the pieces of pineapple from the skin. You have to be gentle with it because you don't want to damage the skin. And make sure you have a sharp knife to do this. Guys, so I already took my pineapple out of the skin, so this is what it looks like. All right, okay guys, so I'm waiting for my grill to heat up a little bit, and I spray some cooking spray on my grill. Alright, it smells so good over here. Okay guys, so these peppers are ready, so I'm going to remove them from the grill. I'm going to put some more pineapple. Okay guys, so now I'm going to wet my shrimp with some of the pineapple juice. Especially these ones up here. Now I'm going to remove these pineapples. Okay guys, so I'm mincing up some of the pineapple, and this is to put over the shrimp. Alright, so you want to do this with a sharp knife. Okay, so you get little minces. This is a seed. Okay guys, I'm going to remove these pineapple from the grill. Okay, so I'm going to spread out the shrimp. Guys, I'm so sorry for the noise. If you hear the kids in the background, you know they're always making noise. Okay, so I'm gonna pour this seasoning over it. Nothing goes to waste. Okay, so the chopped up pineapple goes on top of the shrimp, goes over the shrimp like that. Guys, it smells so good. Looks good too. And just sprinkle a little bit of your pineapple juice. Okay guys, so these shrimp over here are finished, so I'm gonna remove them. Smells so good. I can't wait to taste one, guys, and tell you how it tastes. grill the rest of my peppers. Okay guys, so look what we have here. Peppers grilling nicely. You know, they almost finished. Because I like them crunchy. Like when I bite into it, I like it crunchy. Alright, and the shrimp coming on nicely also. Smells so good with the pineapple melting down on it. And I know it tastes good. So guys, I'm gonna let this stay for another 2 minutes, and then next time you see me guys, I'm gonna show it to you. I'm gonna plate it and show it to you. Alright, okay guys, so this is the finishing look of my pineapple grilled shrimp. Look at this lovely plate guys. This is so pretty. It smells good. Look at it guys. If you're still here with me in this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please remember to hit that subscription symbol, touch the bell, make sure your bell is on all so you will not miss out on any of my uploads. Look at this guys. Guys, remember to be kind to yourself so you can be kind to others. Alright, what you don't like for yourself, don't do it to others. Look at that guys. Big up yourself, Dimes Million. Bless up yourself, my friend. Love you, love you, love you. Vanity Star TV, big up yourself. Teacher P, bless up yourself. Valentine, bless up yourself. I'm laughing because I'm stuck. I cannot remember. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce your name. Alright, so just bless up yourself. Blessings to everyone. Look at this guys. Look at this plate. Oh my god. So now I'm going to taste it. And I'm going to tell you how the pineapple grilled shrimp is tasting. Alright. So delicious. Pineapple is very sweet. The shrimp is very flavorful. Tastes good. So yummy. Who wants some? Try it at home guys. For the ingredients for this dish, I'm gonna put it in the description down below. The link will be in the description down below. Guys, remember to check out my Facebook page. Remember to check out my Pinterest page. Remember to check out my website. And all those links are going to be in the description down below. Remember to give this video a thumbs up. Remember to share it out. Tell a friend to tell another friend. Guys, thank you so much for the support. And I welcome all my new subscribers, all my new supporters. I welcome you guys so much. I love you guys so much. And I thank you guys so much for showing me so much love and kindness. I truly, truly, truly appreciate it. Guys, walk good, do good, be good, and good will always follow you. So guys, I am going to see you again in another video. Be safe. Love you guys. Bye.